7. And number 11. Alright, what's up YouTube family? I'm back. And I got some combs in the mail today that I'm really excited to try. I got them from Chicago Comb Company, and I'm just gonna do a product review. I'm gonna pick my hair out and do my daily routine with them. So this is the newest model, the model 11 of their picks that they sent out. So this is a graphite carbon fiber comb. I thought they were metal at first, honestly, when I looked on the website, so I was a little bit confused. But they went ahead and checked all the boxes that I was concerned about right on the box and the packaging. So I haven't opened it yet, but it says it, detangles, lifts, and it's safe in the shower. And the big one I was concerned about was it being anti-static and the fact that I thought it was metal. So the fact that it says carbon fiber right up front was something I was super excited about. This is a professional pick comb from Chicago Comb Company. And the number 7 is just a smaller model. So I think this one was out first, and they sent both of these for us to try, check out, and see what we think. So I haven't opened them yet, and I'm excited to upgrade from the 2 that I've been using. I mean, these aren't horrible. They got the job done, and I just get these because for some reason I don't lose these when I get a really cheap pick. But these are much nicer, and I'm excited about upgrading my pick game. So, I had to pick my hair out today. As you can see, it's a lot longer than it looks. Same with my beard. So, I'm excited to pop one of these open. And let's open a big one first. Because I get to use these at work. So, it's got a cool package. I just kind of squeeze the side of it to get that open. And it's really nice. It has a model number, Chicago Comb Company, carbon fiber made in the USA, and it's got a nice little, I don't know if that's what it's for, but it's got a nice little finger hole so you can hook it on your station or whatever if you're a barber like me, but I'm probably gonna use it for this, not even gonna lie. But this is the bigger one. This is the model number 11. And it's flexible. For some reason from the pictures, I really thought these were metal, but it feels really well put together, especially for it to be as flexible as it is. So, I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna moisturize my hair. I'm gonna use some water and shea butter just to keep it really neutral before I pick it out. So give me one sec, let me. So I don't want to break off the ends of my hair. I don't want to get them to break it. Well, I'm actually growing my hair out, so this is the perfect timing for them to send me something for an Afro. So make sure I get this all the way hydrated, not wet, but just where I can feel like all the hairs are softened. I want to get all my hair softened up so that when I pick through it, I'm not breaking the ends off and I'll be able to kind of untangle or detangle. So I'm excited about this. I'm gonna put that there, but I'm really excited. All right, I got it about hydrated. Now I want to add some. This is just whipped shea butter. As some of y'all know that I like to use a lot. So I'm gonna go in on top with the whipped shea butter. And you might be able to see how much my hair is kind of detangled and starting to stand back up just since I was sleeping on it. And I'm ready to do this video. I went and picked this up. It came in the mail last night, and I hadn't checked the tracking number yet. Okay. I'm super excited about this. It even said it was for beards, so it's a good time to be growing everything out. Okay, that's good to go. It's ready to be picked out. Let's open the little one, the smaller one, the number 7. I'm gonna squeeze it and pop it up in the same way. And I did an unboxing. I think you saw that already. This is the number 7. This one looks really cool too. See them next to each other. Put them shoulder to shoulder. You can see the difference. I don't know which one to use first. Let's go on with the big one. It's not flopping around as much as my plastic one. Here, let me show you. But it still has some give, which is good. So this is my plastic one. It kind of flops around and doesn't give a lot. But this one kind of works straight through. Takes some of the effort off of my part. And obviously I'll add the link to the website, but I think these are on Amazon too. I'm pretty sure. I'll double check before I post it, but I'm pretty sure these are on Amazon. But they got here pretty quickly. So I'm excited. Let's check. I didn't have very much breakage because it moisturized it. Let's see. Actually, just a couple hairs that look like they just shed, but nothing too crazy or out of the ordinary. I like the spacing on these two. So the teeth are further apart than the teeth here. So you get a little bit more control when you have teeth closer together. But if you have kind of coarse hair, having the teeth a little bit further apart and still sturdy gives you more of a volumized look. So you want to use a pick with teeth that are wide enough apart, not to grab too much of your hair. Like if you try to take a tiny comb and comb it through. Like if I try to take a tiny comb and comb it through, like it would give me a lot more pull. Thankfully it's hydrated enough to do that now, but I wouldn't be able to get as much volume like you see on that there. So far, so good. Let's see if I can get the background. And I'm pretty sure I'll use a smaller one for my beard. But I'm just being really gentle with this so I don't break off the curls underneath here. A little spot that I have to pick together to get it to cover. I'll get the shea butter off of my skin, but overall, so far so good. I like these. I don't feel like I'm getting like static buildup or that it's gonna break off. You know, you can kind of feel like the charge in your hair when you use a plastic pick or a metal pick. I like that this one is carbon fiber and it doesn't generate any of that stuff that could damage your hair. Because I used to use these and my metal pick, but I'll try these out at the shop and see what happens, and hopefully it'll save me some time because these are pretty solid. So I'll keep you posted on how these are going over on Instagram and probably TikTok too moving forward. But so far, I really like these. Thank you for sending these over, by the way, Chicago Comb Co. And I'll get this out and sent over to IG and keep everybody posted on the Model 11 and Model 7. So everything, all the links, all the info is down in the video description. Let me know what you guys think of them and what you think of what happened in the video. And what you think of my baby fro. It's growing, I promise. We'll see, give it a couple weeks. Cool. I'm gonna keep that right here. All right, I'll talk to you soon.